Today is my wedding day, April 30, 2025, with my bride, Daisy May Ingreso. Today, feeling excited and quite nervous. This is the day we're waiting for.
So today is April 30, 2025, and today is our wedding day with Mark Kevin Soyman. Feeling ako today is happy, mixed emotions, and so on. Napila po nito ang kalibangon. Roon ta makikooperate ang baby, dili siya magsigli.
Nag-meet me ni Daisy May, ni Jai Jai, last 2017. Sa akong workplace, nag-meet me sa General Santos City Fishport Complex.
So nag-meet me way back 2017 sa Fishport, kay nag-work siya as a quality control or checker sa isang company, fishing company, and nag-work po ko as a quality control po sa manufacturer.
Nag-meet me dito and then getting to know each other, but almost pila ka years bago ko niya gipansin, kasi ko papansin sa iya.
Actually, nalagot ko niya, kaya di ko ganan sa iya ha, papansin mo kayo na siya. So dito na nag-start ang mga away-away, friend ko na. Tapos until now, itagaan siyang chance. Tapos nabot may side
Yun ang ibig sabihin ng marriage. Marriage is a decision. There are many possibilities in life. Out of many possibilities, you cut off that possibilities and you settle only one option. And that is your wife, that is your husband. Once naka-decide ka na, you commit yourself at ito na yon, sacrament of marriage. And so Mark and Daisy, we pray for you that you will have a happy, successful married life.
Ako manggod is wala ko'y manghod or wala ko'y kuya na lalaki. So as a partner figure, isa yun ang quality dito para sa iyahan. Kahit tanan pagkukulang sa akong papa, siya ang magpuno. Although wala may pagkulang akong papa, murag half of my life kay nabunuan niya.
Ang misis ko sa imaya nga kung mga kaminyo lamang yun ka, dapat nagay communication pero may respeto o love sa inyo kana lang.
Gila. My first impression kay Jai Jai, kay Daisy May, is medyo suplada. Tong kami na ni Jai Jai as a couple, makita lang siya is mato siya caring, and then pang wife material siya na babae.
When Daisy May was thinking that we will march through the aisles, approaching the altar, that was just a dream. Now that they dream together, it's no longer a dream, but the beginning of reality. So today, Mark, Kevin, and Daisy, today is the beginning of your married life.
Love, thank you sa tanan, sa imong sacrifice sa imong pag-intindi. Nadyo time na layo ta sa isa't isa, LDR ta usually. So salamat kaayo, and then promise na ako sa imo na ikaw lang dili ta kapasakitan emotionally, physically. See you later. I love you. Yuri Silver. Angas. Nike boy. Love, thank you. Thank you sa gift. Nice. I love you.
I just be faithful to God, be faithful to my apostolate, and success will just follow. What does it mean if we apply this to Mark, Kevin, and Daisy May? Sabi ni Mother Teresa, if you want to become successful, just be faithful to one another, be faithful to your commitment as husband and wife, be faithful to your vows, be faithful to God, and success will just follow.
Hi, love. Salamat sa tanan-tanan sa pasensya nga gihatag mo sa kuha sa pagigugma. Karon na naman si Zeki. Unta, mas nag-strong pa atong bond. So, wish na ko is for us to stay strong para sa atong family. So, I love you. See you later.
Love, wish lang na ako is unta magdugay pa ta. I'm sure wala naman po gini iwanan. Mao na gid ni. And then promise na ako sa imo is dili ko magbag-o. Mas higugmaon pati ka. And also ang baby sa hapit na gid po na. And then maulan to. See you later. I love you.